Hello everybody, this is Zachary from Vista Kinetics, and today we have received another shipment of our Quantum Fold e-bike. We're going to be opening it, the package, directly from China. Let's see, kind of figure out where the, here we go. Okay, we're excited to have this today. I'm going to show you exactly how it comes. So, we got everything in here. So first thing, definitely got a charger, so we can be able to charge it. Got the seat, got the, I'm assuming the
seat post,
and the bike itself right here. Alright, so going to put this together. Let's see. First strap in. Second strap. Check. Make sure everything is set. Looks good. Okay. So after you do that, you unfold the wheel, set it up here, and lock it in place. Okay. Then you want to make sure you lock this so it doesn't rotate. Alright, then take the handlebars, put them in, lock that in place. Everything looks good. And the pedals come out here. Twist it around and then lock this in place here. Now it's ready to go. That seat's ready. So pop the seat in there at your desired level of height. Strap it in, and then the power button's right here. Pop it in.